The bond market's influence is growing. As the supply and demand mismatch persists, the risk of fiscal pushback, similar to that of the UK's 2022 gilt crisis, becomes more pronounced. This dynamic is forcing governments to confront uncomfortable questions about the debt sustainability, spending priorities, and political stability. This brings us to the return of bond vigilantes. The concept of bond vigilantes, investors who push governments to maintain fiscal discipline, dates back to 1980s. Now, with the global debt levels at record high, these forces are re-emerging. Ed Yardeni, the economist who coined this term, warns that the bond vigilantes of the world are uniting in their scrutiny of public finances. So, what are the implications for the governments and for the corporates? Now, as the long-term yields rise, governments are exploring strategies like issuing shorter-dated debt to manage the cost. However, this approach comes with refinancing risk and doesn't address the core problem: excessive borrowing. Central banks face their own dilemma, balancing quantitative tightening with the need to maintain market stability. And more importantly, these challenges are not confined to governments. Corporate borrowing costs are linked to government bond yields, meaning that higher yields ripple through to the private sector, impacting growth and investment. So, what is the path forward out here? Experts agree that without robust economic growth or serious fiscal reform, debt burdens will continue to mount. Some warn that the governments may resort to higher inflation as a de facto means of eroding the real value of their debts. Others fear that a fiscal dominance scenario wherein the government borrowing dictates monetary policy, crowding out private investment and leading to long-term economic stagnation. For now, the debate is not whether the crisis is imminent, but how the governments can navigate this new reality. Will they find the political will to rein in the spending? Can the central banks manage the delicate balance between monetary policy and market stability? And can the investors remain patient as governments recalibrate? One thing is clear: the complacency that characterized government borrowing for the past 2 decades is over. The bond market has become a powerful referee in the global economy, and governments ignore it at their peril.